Hey, so this is the best frunk on the market for the new Dacia Spring. I think you're gonna love it. It's really light. It comes with rubber seals. They advertise that it is fire resistant. We're going to test that out. It's a nice carpeted interior. If you also install the rubber seals, then you're gonna be able to use it just like a clean regular trunk. I got it from frunky.ro. It has a really good price, pretty thin but sturdy enough to keep all you wanna keep in this pretty roomy space. It has a fire resistant coating on the back. It is plastic with a carpeted interior. Looks very nice and clean. There's loads of room. So as soon as I put the flame out, it stops. So it is treated very nicely. It doesn't maintain a burn. It does consume itself. It is a sort of plastic, but it doesn't burn, as you can see. Let's install it. Okay, let's pop the trunk. Okay, so this is a really easy install. First of all, these rubber seals go on the end of the frunk itself. All you need is 4 clips that they provide. So there are 2 bigger ones and there's 2 smaller ones. You first take the 2 smaller ones. You take the female end and you insert it one here, one on the other side. You keep this for later. Now go around the hood latch and install it under the front grille. Now, underneath this lip here, now you take the male part of these clips and put it in. Let's install the other one here. Then you take your 2 bigger ones, and they go here like that. And here. Okay, now it's basically installed, but you do want to put in the rubber seals, because if not, water's gonna get in when you wash the car or when it's raining and you're driving. So now let's install the seals. First one is this one that you just put here. It looks like this, a little bit wavy, because the front grille has a few tabs that you can't insert the seal all the way through. You can either cut those tabs a little bit or just leave it a little bit wavy. It doesn't hurt anything. The other seals you need to stick on the car. So these 2 go here and on the other side, there. Make sure you're going to clean and degrease with alcohol the surfaces where you're going to stick the rubber seal. Also, if you're doing this when the outside temperature or the surrounding temperature is less than 17-18 degrees, then you should probably heat the surface with a heat gun, just so sure that it's going to stick well. Okay, so the seals are installed. There's an additional seal that you can put all the way from here to the other side. I chose not to do that, but you can. So now you have a really functional trunk with loads of space. It's just the charging cable, but there's a bunch more stuff that you can put in. It is nicely protected with the seals so that water won't get in. The volume of this frunk is about 35 liters. Pretty good amount of space you have for storage and whatnot. And it looks good, it looks finished. It's not just a box with a lid. There will be a link in the description. The price is 130 euros. So I was having a little bit of trouble. It wasn't closing all the way on this part. So I thought it was the frunk, because this part here was digging in to the frunk in this area. So I cut the frunk like that and just moved the seal, the rubber seal. But I was still kind of having problems. The trunk on this side was a little higher. And then I noticed there's this foam here that's not on the other side. I don't know why it's only on this side. I removed it and now it's closing perfectly. So this is how I chose to cut this area here and reapply the rubber seal, because this bracket was hitting in the front. So now it clears it and it seals it nice. Okay, so there's no drips, which is good. The seals did their job. So the water test was good, and you saw how much light it's penetrating. So I'd say it's really good. I think it is the best frunk on the market. Well, I hope this helped. Bye.